Hello guys, in today's video we try to see why traders lose money in the stock market. Understand that this subject is a very long subject, and a lot of beginners and even some who are into intermediate level don't understand that there are a lot of problems that you can face. So if you don't solve these problems, you can't make money. You can make money at random. Yes, it means, for example, you trade today, or you buy a stock for 1 month or two, like swing trading, and you can make money from it, which this makes the beginners or those who just want to trade stocks, they think it's easy. So they begin just buying and selling for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, and they have no idea what they are doing. It means they just do what they see other people do, or they go to chat rooms. Some people ask them to buy this stock or the other stock, and or they go to any website or any social media or any or they watch any videos, and they just begin to fund their account with whatever money they have, and they begin to trade. Now the problem is that when you begin to trade, you don't know what you are doing. You just buy because of certain reasons. Sometimes you buy without a reason. Okay, you just find someone tells you, oh, this stock is good, buy it. So you go and you buy it. So this is like a real problem in trading. And that's why most of the people, they begin to see that they lose money, but they don't realize that most of the time they will lose all their money, but they don't know. Okay, so let's say you put $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. I have seen someone just last year, he has $45,000. Okay, all what he saved for years, and he has heard that, okay, just go to the stock market, buy penny stocks, which means stocks under $5, and a lot of people have become millionaire because of this. Okay, so what did they do, or what does he do, or what does he do, or what did he do? He just began to trade, and understand that penny stocks are riskier than the bigger stocks, because the reason for that is that penny stocks, they move fast, either up or down, and this is why all the beginners, they get attracted, because they can make money. They see a stock $1, and because of manipulation, they don't know, because of manipulation, the next day it goes to $5. You say, okay, if I put 2,000, I will get 10,000. If I put 10,000 by 5, I get 50,000. Okay, so these ideas of that they can make easy money, and they can double or triple or whatever their money in 1 day. These ideas, okay, will make them realize that they should trade a lot, go to chat rooms, goes to Facebook groups, wherever there is information, and they think that people who are in chat rooms or in groups or so, they think they help them. Okay, they help them, giving them information. But this, understand that no one knows what will happen tomorrow. So how can someone gives you a stock to buy? Okay, you can have some techniques or strategies, yes, but it's not a sure thing. So whenever you put a lot of money in something and you think it's a sure thing, and then you realize it is not. So a lot of mistakes the beginners do, and all these mistakes lead to one result, is they lose their money. And I continue the story of this guy who has lost. It means he put $45,000. Now there are some people who put 100 or 200. Okay, some people who have money, but they want a quick thing to make more. So he began to trade penny stocks, and from $45,000 at the beginning of the year, at the end of the year he has $5,000. So he lost almost all his money. Now he sent me an email and he said to me, "Oh, I have this 45,000 last year. I lost it. I have only 5,000. I need to learn how to trade stocks, and can I double my money each week or each month?" He is still having this ideas that he can double his money in 1 week or in 1 day. He is still these ideas. It means he's still having these problems. He carries these problems from last year to this year. And he thinks there is just a miracle, just a magic formula that you can put in stock market, and then you can begin making money. Okay, and this is something very, very important you should know since you are trading, that the reasons of losing money, one of the biggest reasons is education. It means you have no education at all. You don't know anything about the business. Now for you, for example, if I say to you, you say to me, I have 50,000, 100,000, and I want to do a restaurant, to open a restaurant, or to do a dealership, or to do tax for people, or to do any job. Okay? Now the problem is that you don't have experience, and you just go to this business without knowing anything, and just you throw your money, and then after a few months you lose the business. It means you lose all your money that you put. And this is one of the biggest problems that everybody is facing, which is losing money, which is no education. No education, it means that you don't know nothing. Even if you know something, this thing that you find online, like videos and a lot of stuff, these are just pieces of information that you can't make a business with it. Okay? It's not a video they show you where to buy a stock or where to exit. Could be strategy. This is not a strategy. So the beginners, what they do what we call hit and miss strategy. So what does it mean? It means you just try. And this is the problem. Because when you try and you don't know what you are doing, you begin to lose money. You think that you buy here, but the people are selling. So you just buy, you see your stock is going down. Okay? So one of the biggest things I am telling you is no education. Second biggest problem is that the gambling mind. Gambling, what does it mean? It means when you do something and you rely on hope. You rely on hope, so you should say, okay, this stock is 65 cents, and I just buy it. So I buy it. You ask him why you buy this stock. He doesn't know. Okay, he just buys it because before this stock, now it is 65 cents. Before this stock was $10. Now it is 65 cents. He thinks because it was $10 before, this 65 cents, if he wait, it could be $10 in the future. So he will be making a lot of money. This is how he thinks. Now, the problem is that he doesn't understand nothing about trends or how the stocks move. So he put 5,000 or 10,000, 20,000, and then the stock begins to go down and he begins to lose money. Now, when he begins to lose money, he thinks that the stock will come back again in a few days or a few weeks. So this is a big weakness. So you just hope that the stock will go up because other stocks have been going up from the bottom or whatever. So he makes a generalization, okay, in order to get this thing. Now, and then he waits more time, 1 day, 5 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and from 65 cents, the stock is going to 45 cents, it's going to 30 cents, it's going to 20 cents, 15 cents, and at the end, when he feel a lot of pressure, because when he go to his account, he doesn't want to see his account. He just go online like Google and put his stock, and he see that it is going bad because he knows where he bought it at 65 cents. Now it is 45 cents. Okay, so he lost a lot of money, but he doesn't want to see because he has this idea of hope, okay, that the stock will come back. But understand that some stocks will never come back. It's companies. Understand this company, maybe it is struggling. It has a lot of debt. So maybe it will be bankrupt. It means it will not exist anymore in the stock market or even in real. So that's the problem. So this gambling mind is another cause for failure. And most of the people who do this, they put all their money. I have seen some people who have they have some money, like $60,000 or $100,000. They think that this is their chance because other people tell him that this stock will make a very big move. How come these people, they know that the stock will have a move in the future? How? Okay, there is no way you know. Whatever you do as strategies is just strategies. It's not a sure thing. Because if someone knows what the future is, he will be a billionaire in few days. Okay, because you will know what stock will go triple or double or in each day. And you do this, you have $10,000. You do this for a few days, and then 1 month you'll be a millionaire and then a billionaire. But this is not true in the stock market. Stock market is unpredictable. You do your strategies, you learn how to do it, okay? And then you get confident, and then you can make money when you know how things work. If you don't know, you will be losing money as always. So let's drink some coffee. So, as I told you, trading on hope is one of the biggest problems for beginners. So um, and this hope, you see the price, but you don't believe. 65 cents, you buy the stock. After a few days, you see it's 45 cents. You know that you lost money. But you have this idea of hope that the stock will come back, because you see other stocks and you say other stocks have come back. So you generalize a statement and you think that it is a fact, but it is not a fact. Okay? It depends. One stock, it can come back for a little. One, it can go good, but most of them, they go down and you lose a lot of money. Another basic reason for losing money is smaller accounts. A lot of people, when you go online, I have seen a person saying online that with $100 you can make $100,000 in 1 month. So these ideas that are circulating in especially YouTube, which is a very, very big, and a lot of people, they go there. Now you can have Facebook or Twitter or any social media, and they think these people, they claim. Someone told me it means you go online and you see it. Some people say it. Is it true? No. Okay? If it is true, okay. Give him money, not $100,000. $100. Give him 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 each month. Ask him just to double it, not to make from $100 to make $100,000. Some people, they say, "Oh, you become a millionaire if you follow me." No, these are just ideas that are circulating, and the people attract the beginners because they don't know. They think that it is true. There is a magical formula that just when you put it, you begin making money, as if you are printing money. It's the only, the government is the only one that prints money. Okay, prints money. There is no one else, or some people who are doing some stuff. So understand that this big claims in the stock market makes people, especially beginners, believe. Okay? If someone tells you that a job, you work with $100 a month, $100 a day, but in the end of the month you will make $100,000, in real life, when you go to find a job, you don't believe it, because it's not true. How? From where the money comes? But in the stock market, these people, they come and believe, because they think that this stock market is not a business. It's like a lottery where you just buy a ticket with $2 or $5 or $1 or $10, and you can make $200 million if you get the jackpot, depending on the lottery thing. And that's why companies that they make the lottery, they make a lot of money. Okay? Because of these people. If, for example, I and you and the other guys, we don't believe in lottery, all the other businesses that you see online doing the lottery, they will stop, because there will be no money. But since since the people, they want to make millions of dollars without doing nothing, because this is the idea. Most of the beginners, they don't want to educate themselves and to solve their problems. For me, for example, there are a lot of people who have come to me to get a training, especially I did it before, like one person to another person, face to face, okay, and they have never traded before. This is better than when someone does 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and then he comes for the training. If he did it before, he will have a better idea on how the market works. Okay? And understand that most of these people have smaller accounts, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. It's a smaller account. If you just count the commissions, let's say you buy $5 and you sell $5, so it is $10. Now, if you do 10 trades or 100 trades or 1,000 trades in a year, this will become a lot of money and it will wipe out your account, regardless if you make money or you don't make money. So this is called expenses. It means when you are doing trading as a business, it should have expenses. Expenses mean one of the expenses is commission, which always you do. Okay? And a lot of people, this is the funny thing, some brokers that are online now, they tell them, commissions, don't pay commissions, just come to us. Now the question is, if the customer doesn't pay commission, what this broker do with his customers? He wants money. From where he gets his money? This is just an idea for those who think that business, that it is a charity. It means a broker, that he takes money from commissions and other fees. He will be working like a church where he do services for free and where the people come to have free things, food or clothes or whatever. So understand that the stock market is about money. No business will work for free, except if they are making strategy to make you pay later, because the customer is always paying. It's not the company that pays for you, because if the company, it has no money, it doesn't generate money from its business, what will happen? It will stop doing business. Okay? There are people who are working, they need to have a paycheck or salary. Like in brokers. A broker, we have hundreds or thousands of people working for the broker. Okay? If they don't get money, they will go to another broker, and that broker will collapse and have no money. So other reasons are, some people, they trade, sometimes they invest, sometimes they do swing trading, sometimes they do position trading, but sometimes they do what we call scalping, but they don't know the difference. He buys a stock today, he's doing day trading. He buys a stock today and he loses money, he leave it for tomorrow. So if you are doing day trading, if you lose, you should exit the trade. Don't leave it for tomorrow, because tomorrow it's called swing trading, or what we call short-term trading. Sometimes they lose, they leave it for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 8 months, and they think they are investing. Investing, it is not to buy because of the price. Investing, you should know the company. You should invest in the company that you know, that you dig into the fundamentals of the company, competition, earnings. It means you know this company that can expand and become bigger and bigger and bigger. This is investing. It's not just you buy a stock because your friend tells you, oh, just buy this company because it is good. No, you can't invest like that. How can you put 100,000 or 10,000 or 50,000 just because someone tells you to buy it? There is no guarantee whatsoever in the market. So you should know what you are doing. Okay? So these are some of the main reasons why beginners, they lose money. So for the reasons, there are a lot of reasons, not just those. But each trader has some kind of problems that he should fix. Another major thing I will tell you is when someone wants to trade a stock, to buy and to sell it, he has no plan. He doesn't know when to buy the stock or why to buy the stock. He doesn't know how to calculate his risk, and he doesn't know how to exit from the trade. And this is another major thing. If you do things without plan, you will not succeed in the stock market. You will not, because the plan is everything in trading. Before you buy a stock, you should know where to buy it and when and why. Do you have strategy? Do you have techniques? Do you know when to buy it? Okay? It's not just you just go at any time and you buy a stock and you think you can make money. This is I'm not saying a stupid idea, but this is a naive idea about the market. And this is the most important things that I can say for tonight. So please, if you have a question whatsoever about the reasons, and because when you know your problems, you can solve them. But when you trade without knowing the problems until you wipe out your account, this is the problem. If you begin to lose money, you should stop. 5%, 10% you lose from your money, you should stop and see what's going on. Okay? If you don't have strategy, no education, you should get a training. At least you will understand some aspects of trading, and then you can develop this in the future by having your own rules and IDs. This is the major thing that you can do in trading. Okay, so today it will be short, and I will plan other sessions, live session like this, and hope to meet you again. And thank you very much for watching.